Today I'm going to give you an update on my experience with the Mars Hydro SP150 Full Spectrum Grow Light. So stay tuned. Well, like I said in my unboxing video of this product, I haven't had experience with other LED grow lights. So I can only share my experience with the Mars Hydro SP150. I have had a great experience having this full spectrum light in my kitchen. It's a bright window that I have in my kitchen, but at different times of the day it can get darker and plants just don't have enough light to grow. So having this with my island underneath it holding all of my plants, I have completely loaded up this island with as many things as I can. And take a look at some of the setups that I've had since I set up this light. Every day I shift things around because every day things are moving through their growth. Some things are ready to be potted up, some things are ready to be moved out of here. Obviously, I can't grow 20 plants of cucumbers and squash in my kitchen. That's not realistic, it's not possible. Since this is Southern California and I do have resources, these plants that I started in the plug planter are going to other homes. I have okra, I have cucumber, I have squash, I have herbs, I have tomato suckers that I rooted, I have other herbs that were given to me, and I have an eggplant back here that I bought, and also another tomato that I rooted from a sucker. So I've got a lot of stuff going on here. And still, because peppers take longer, and I had peppers in my plug planter, they're still in the plug planter under the grow light. I'm going to give them another week before I pot those up. But this light has been fantastic. It's highly adjustable. I lower and heighten it all the time. I was worried about, what if the light is too bright? What if it hurts my eyes in this room, in this space when I'm working? And it's not at all. In fact, I have it set up on a timer, which was recommended to me. And when I come in the morning at 6 or 7, it's already on and the plants are thriving. Now, I will say that I wish there were an on-off switch on the light itself. As a number of fans pointed out to me, you get the timer, you plug it in, and you forget about it. Well, yes and no, because many times I think, well, I'd like another hour. It was a very gray day. Not a lot of light came in the window. So, it's not a big deal because I have this on rollers, but I've got to bend over and get down there. And the timer that I bought, you've got to have your glasses on so you can see those little numbers. So it would be a lot easier just to go click, click, so that's maybe something that the company could think about adding as a feature in the future. There's no fan, so there's no sound. It's fantastic. So when I'm filming videos, this is not a problem. And it's not hot, really. It is warm to the touch. But you'd have to really put your hand right on the metal to kind of burn it a little bit. It covers a 2 by 2 foot area, but it seems to be more long and narrow, and that works perfectly over my island, which I have absolutely crammed full of plants. So I wanted to get this update done today because many of these plants are going out to their new forever homes, and I wanted you to see it really loaded up. As you can see, there's plenty of slack in the rope that you adjust the height, so you could hang your eye hooks from the ceiling if you wanted to and pull it out farther from the wall, and of course the light would spread out and you could grow more plants. I've been adding plants around the sides to try to get them to have more light than they can get in the window. What I've noticed is my window light in the afternoon is so intense that these young plants are actually wilting. So it works much better to have this consistent grow light. If I had the light out farther, I could grow a lot more plants in this room. But I'm interested in also living in my space and cooking and making dinner. And so I have committed this much space to my plants, as well as a lot of space around the window. So I'm not going to crowd it up too much. And plants go through their cycle and they're ready to be moved out to the garden. I actually love having this light. I come in here and the full spectrum light actually lifts my spirits. And I think there's some scientific proof somewhere that full spectrum light can give you what you're lacking, especially if you don't get out in the sun enough. In the northern countries, for example, they sell lights that you literally face these lights to give you that full spectrum. So all in all, I'm really happy with this light. Not only has it helped my plants grow, but it's also lifted my spirits. I feel so much lighter and brighter, literally, inside and out, with full spectrum light in this kitchen. I had very low wattage bulbs that came with the apartment, and to come in here at 6 or 7 in the morning and have that bright light, but not too bright, it's just been great. If you're interested in getting a Mars Hydro SP150 grow light and you're in the United States, I hope you'll use my Amazon link, which is in the description below. Anything you order through Amazon through my link gives a small percentage to this channel. If you're out of the US, there are a few links in the description also for other countries, so please check that out. And if you get one, please let me know how you like it. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on social media and stay tuned for more videos about what you can grow in your own kitchen in a small space. And I'll see you next time. And I look further. Now I will say that I do wish the light had an on-off switch. It's highly adjustable. I lower it and higher it. Plants go through their cycle and